If your iPhone is stuck on the red battery screen, even if you've plugged it in and you're trying to charge it, I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is check the charging cable. You can see here is my USB-C charging cable, and you're going to check that charging cable to make sure there's no debris in it. And then also check the bottom of your iPhone, just right at the charging port, to make sure that is nice and clean. You can always get a toothpick and try to clean it out very gently, and then try to plug it in and see if by plugging it in, that fixes it. If this doesn't fix it after plugging it in for a bit of time, there could be a potential issue with your actual charging cable. So I would recommend, if you have another one laying around at your house, just try a different one to make sure you rule out that it's not an issue with your charging cable or that little charging block. However, if that's not the issue, then what we're going to do instead is do a force restart on this and see if that fixes it. To do that, you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that side button. Now, you're just going to keep holding it, even though it says slide to power off. You might not see anything in the screen, which is perfectly okay, but just keep holding it until you see an Apple logo. And check to see if this works to force restart it, because potentially the battery life still is in there and it's not fully dead, which is usually the indication where you have that red battery icon, but essentially it just needs a force restart to get it up and running again. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.